you guys doing? I heard them, I do, man. So I beg, I just want to beg many people, yeah? If you know, you know, yeah? If you don't know, you don't know. If you know, you know. If you don't know, you don't know. So you know, see this matter, more than they turn to fight, so to fight yourself, to hate yourself. In fact, they make things, you know, they focus on them. And when they pay me, now they can't cry. When Prissy cried about 3 days ago, Prissy, I give one. When me Osagie go de kia, when you name Italy 2009, Italy 2006, Torino 2000. Go and ask question. Oh, I feel you boy when man de bossasi. Oh, I feel you boy when man de Mercedes C-class ogarin. Oh, I feel you boy when man do mangole va wari go you know. Oh, I feel you boy mostly when I go a small boy, only my baby boy. We are going a baby fiscal baby boy. You must wadigo yego ogologo ego adaji. Go and ask question. You know, you are the reason why the Osagie did not concentrate on his marriage with Winnie, with his heirs. You guys were the reason no man concentrates. You guys were the reason, and now you are crying. Why are you crying? Wavieba, wagoji, iraq bonihin. Oh, boy 120 million. It's not. It's a chicken change compared to the Kianuzin you wake your mom. Wow, it's a chicken change for you. People buy Dolly Boy. Yes, they pay for it. Because now you are dragging his mother into your mess up. When it's only person like me. When my son brought his girlfriend, when he came, do you know what I told that girl? One girl was also here in Germany. No why we are like her when my son a fine boy. No why we are fall in love. When you want again here. You know what? Don't bring me into your mess. So in case of tomorrow, it's a star. I wanna dump you when you have your I am not going to be part of your relationship with my son. Until I am getting married. Until yes, this is my wife and this is who I choose. Every other one, I am not part of it. In your relationship, don't call me. He thought I was joking. She thought, even my son thought I was joking. Because I used to embrace any girl. And I see, they will start to cry on my nerves. Yes, when I saw young, henceforth, up so forth is ended. Schluss, irigualo. When you have your girlfriends, keep them to yourself. Don't even introduce them to me. I don't want to know them. Until you bring one, and when it is hot, don't also call me. If you cannot handle your relationship, please don't bring me. There was one who was in a good relationship with me when I went to Nigeria. I told her, I said, come, please. I will love you to stay out of me. I don't want. Because of tomorrow. No, why I may go? Imagine anybody may go. Don't sing with my beautiful name. I've built my name for a very long time. When I say, Mama Zoom, no, I don't want. And that is for that. You are dragging Mama Osagie because of oh no when it's in there because oh we got we please a kiani no make now vroom voice and now you are crying over nothing, over peanuts. Look at the cry. I was ashamed of you. Prissy, I am. If you are my sister, I will come close to you. I will pinch you out. It's a gap baby. Oh, beautiful. Oh, there you are. There was some when you are sleeping and like Arodo, because next time you know that to move a baby boy that pays you. So let it go and forget about it. It's a sacrifice you have to pay for a vehicle. That is that. I saw who did I saw today? When my video is me. Who did I saw today? Yes, sir. I did my comfort zone. See, I did my comfort zone. Yeah, this is my window. I'm very close to the railway station. Okay, this is my comfort zone. This is my bedroom. So you can see it. This is my bedroom. Everything is allowed. It's alarmit. Yes, this is my bedroom. This is where I enjoy my sleep. Yeah. Okay. So go and tidy up your bedroom like this. You ever joko we run me to tell that mirror. You have to tell you that mirror we are rimaro, you know, you have a makeup it be fine. Then window, you see my window, you see it is flowery, is glowing. Attention seekers. I don't see them. Those way you not great see them. They will want me you see them by all means. Make you not look them. Anything you achieve for your life, you achieve it for yourself, not for the benefit of the masses. And stop seeking attention. So I am not seeking your attention. So don't say attention seeker. Yeah. Good morning, President. Speak. Why is you? Okay. In your joko, have you ever have joko in your bedroom? Have you ever have joko in your bedroom? Tell me, have you ever? It's only me that have joko in a bedroom. Joko na ya to tire ko ya rimaro, you know. Cooking with the barista, my darling. I see you. I heard the my comfort zone. I heard the Zuzu. I want Zuzu this morning because of some video where I see. So, my lovely, amazing people. I see Atiti the Zuzu for that side. Atiti and Mama George are not the fights. Why be so na play? You see the do saga. No. For real dash monkey banana. I see Atiti the saga Mama Joy. Mama. I don't know why Atiti don't get direction. Sorry to say. I don't know why Atiti don't get direction. And I don't still know why our mama not still get direction. Two of them they don't get direction. But I don't verse, so I don't go to insult now. But you don't know what to be direction. You see me and Mommy Lovely where they this my platform, so yeah. It gets a kind word where you go. It gets a kind thing where you go to do. Where we go call in. What would they zuzu for the platform? What would they do aproko for the platform? It gets a kind thing we go pull mat go say no, not go this side, we'll go this side. We will just change the topic. You understand? Do you know how friends will go? It's two. It takes two to work together. It takes two to understand each other. Because if two does not understand each other, they cannot work together. And I remember where Atiti begin the saga people because of Mama Joy. If fight people, go fight this way, go fight this way, go fight this one. Atiti, you know, get direction. Try and get direction. And try and tolerate. You know, see, when we know they tolerate each other, our friendship not go anywhere. You know, they go anywhere. You know, they go, what do you? A friendship, you know they go anywhere. Now so now go they fight from friendship don't go spend 3 days or collapse. You see, or collapse. A friendship wa egbe 3 days or collapse. The reason why not collapse because we tolerate each other. On that side when we every egbe. Well, okay, tell me what is the cause problem between Mama Joy and Atiti now. Atiti said Mama Joy talk to her anyhow. Say he said this or Osagie matter. No. So because of another people problem, now one scatter on friendship. Because of another person, but when I fit there, you back the toothpick, they remove from that teeth. What you not concern na two? No na two spawn a friendship for. At the shame. The thing they call Mama Joy a shower. This is a shower where some people call Mama Joy that time. You begin to cry. Say a responsible woman. Where they go call her? They say a shower and now you they call her. I never watch Mama Joy. I never do what he call you. Me never know what Mama Joy call you now. Whether I will go wash her. I will go find her. Because I don't get time. Now you jump this morning. I said they do prayer. Don't say we will do prayer outside. We don't they play with you now in the morning. You understand me? As I see your video, the thing is shortolize me because of Priscilla. Are you they say the Osagie fraud your in-law? Come on, let me tell you. You say, what of Anita Chamber truth voice of poor, where you follow, do mother and daughter, where una to today. Oh, my darling. You don't see me and Anita don't come and fight for public. See, let me tell you. Even when they send me Anita video, so Anita, they insult me, they talk to me, they insult my brother. You see me say, I want my video one, they call Shaleja. Never. Never. I am too big. See, let me tell you. I choose my friends. My friends don't choose me. I have a dignity. When people start to zuzu, you stay me, I stay away, I stay clean and run away from my life. I don't need you to come and tell me to run. Do you think I would need advice for you to come and run? I will leave her to do her things. When she was campaigning Isoti Obaseki, you see me, did I come and instruct her? Only one video I did, I said, please, don't ever put me in your video. Don't bring me in. One night I was asleep at 3 a.m. You know, we don't get the same time. I just enter video. I said, I might see. Because I just on my phone, I just see notification. And she did Twitter. He said, my mommy is here. They invite me at 3 a.m. in the morning. You don't know, say we'll not get there the same time. I not accept and not sleep back. 3 a.m. in the morning. So, no come tell me, say, what of Anita Shaba of lie. Now you know whether they lie give or not. Now you know whether she they live fake life or not. Now she now know whether she they seek attention for do attention seekers you talk. You know consign me. Our life, I do it, don't get anything to do with me. You see how she they do our video. You see me say I go challenge her. No. I go do my own. She don't go challenge me. She can only be talking her own for that side. I go they talk my own for this side. If you not work, everybody go there in parts. They do your own thing, they go. You know me say with the quarrel, you know me say with the fight. You they call me for which phone? I don't see your caller. Shize. You not call me. I be desolate. You not come, mama. See my food for you now. You understand me, ba? You no call. Call him again. You no call. Your call no come, my darling.
Okay.
Because I know did that one this morning. I saw, see, I don't see her. They talk of Anita. Hello, Mama.
Mom, oh.
I greet you, my love. How is you?
How you doing, ma?
Hi there, ma. Good morning.
Good mom. Don't change your topic. Why you dey mind now? You for delete the thing you for not talk October. If you see, Mama.
Ma?
If you see that kind of comment, you go delete her. He want me bring you with Anita, come on and go they fight. Not mine now.
Abi?
The app, the way we want to do the app before me say on the quarrel.
I tell you, the one this
the last time. That one when they write, so the last time you with Anita not the live video.
I tell you for them all.
Not mine now. Now so that they find if they see say they don't see you with the person for 1 month, they'll say you with the person they quarrel. Quick be not bugwa, not be not bugwa. Mama, that person there has been not very appreciated. I know they don't even they share self. Often they make money, use that money, they do something for Nigeria. When they for social media, they found out what they drag for problem. You not been not very well.
And you say, are we here, boy? Are we here, boy? Are we here, boy?
Not with Anita, maybe with Anita, because they fight. If you say with Anita, they fight.
I tell you, I not tell them.
Delete the comment. They didn't answer. Why we win now? Why we away? You not been a perfect bin. When they bring Anita with Mama they quarrel.
I tell you, we know the quarrel.
Mama, this is I know they your platform. The other is able to the quarrel. If Mama they live video sometimes, I know they even they have. If I come back, cause she say Mama do life. I see they say Mama. I think they like can pull love and like for there. Sometimes I cause she say you don't hit the love and like back.
Yes.
Now so people when they do something most they stay for Facebook all the time.
I tell you.
The time when we see they come Facebook, now the spare time when we get. You know, we say we're all there Facebook all the time.
True,
now Mama they talk now. If I did with Mama Joy the quarrel, only lost I gave he ex-girlfriend. He not rich at it with Mama Joy the quarrel.
He not rich. Now they pay me so. He not rich. Why talk they'll come with the quarrel for other people matter?
Snake and this thing. But why you people just want everybody to become enemy. Okay, who wakian guku? Ewo ni agu wakian gukua. Una then life, una no fit follow na self play. People when they live for this life, una no fit play wa ho. Any agu wakian gukua. That bomangu wa ni wa ya hulokwa.
Eriyo no. That bomangu ya wa ya hulokwa because.
Don't let them intimidate you for that. Mama, I get what when you talk just now. When if you they do a propos, sometimes if Mama want to, I say Mama be driver.
Yes.
I understand. Not to say we'll just see carry the person matter coin while they no. Sometimes if you with person they quarrel, another person go still settle now. I don't say where we are going and come where the book where we are going bog being. Emma, they look us if you dare our platform, but they don't say we know they insult them for there.
Titi tire me. Here we are good at dinner. Here we are good at dinner. I'm not dinner because we don't know the civil for it. I know that because you want me now, make me go sit down for the platform for the insult my own brother. No, I go leave her make she do her whole thing. I go to do my own, I not the instruct her.
Well, Mama, forget Anita matter. Now, so when Anita with now politics matter, not be something whether they fight for. Your brother can day PDP. Your sister will day APC.
Of course.
Reach out and go they fight.
Geleo. I tell you.
Some people when they vote for this. Now the papa, mama, sisters, friends, they're not the same party. They are voting for your law. Why they don't call each other? They can't fight themselves. And not be the same as they for come and go vote. Okay, what did they bring quarrel between a party with Mama Joy?
I don't know. Because of Osagie matter. Because of wait, see the way Atiti. I don't say the engineer Atiti make it cost Mama Joy. Okay, Mama Joy they talk you for that side. They support another person. You support the other person. Una too, you not go cause problem. Everybody go to talk you. You don't get the monopoly to call them and say, no, not doing like this, so no, not doing like this, so everybody go talk you, everybody go enter us. But me not go feel warn you. Say, I don't like now, say you as you they follow person they talk that day. I'll come all my life, they couldn't warn you, say, love, you not do this one again, and go come, they insult you. I not go feel Zuma. You go talk your, me go see talk my own, you go talk your, we go still come get that Sierra later. Eh?
You know they follow British Okpaka they play.
Yes.
Because they follow British Okpaka they play, I don't come follow you play.
Say I tell ya. Eh? Matter when what of tomorrow from concert? Eh?
And the one part of it, these old schools, they don't get sense. If Biakani uncle de lawa, no go no lawa. Now they do all those things. No be old school, they behave this kind of behavior. If Biaka was she be na. If they can one are supposed to their advice, why not be now?
Hey, he not fear you.
This one, if a party with Mama Joy they quarrel now, waiting day here, boyfriend and girlfriend, everybody go assist the depart, everybody will go there their own day.
He be one me. They no get sick bin areba na.
I don't know whether they sick bin na. Okay, money when the woman say he give Osagie, I'm here receipt, I'm here rock.
Oh, she go work here. Now they tell her just and say, may go ask for Italy that year. If you want do small picky here, you go pay put. You go buy two pangolo. Eh? If you bring cloth, come, you go bring 2 cloths. One for you, one for the boy. If not, the boy no go stay. Now you want baby boy. Say the cat cry when she dey cry. Not be say she dey cry because of money. Now that they cry when don't come up for it toto. Now she dey cry for. Now those people that make Osagie not concentrate for your marriage. Now no what could they cry? But why I got so what be?
I school go dey cry so barrier you go.
I just tired. Oh, 70 years old woman.
Yesterday, so much that when they enter abroad yesterday, men chop their money, they enter house. I'm away old school, no good, because of this, I don't know, they say that woman and more woman.
Jesus.
One big better 55 years,
Jimmy.
Oh, yeah, fita, yes, your man said, you are fita na ya oreuko. Oh, one big better 55 years.
Don't know 55, 65. 65, you want to carry our baby shift. Our own baby shift. But we will pay. You will pay, you care. Madam, enter house, Madam Prissy. Enter house.
They chop my money.
Enter house.
Maybe guys self, therefore don't kill me when I say they chop their money up and down.
Lovely. You dey chop my money. You dey chop my money.
Because they don't got the drag me for Facebook.
Bless me, are you not the same? Because they don't drag me, are you for Facebook like this? Will be winner. For where? For where?
I don't know whether they support that woman. The woman don't give them 500. You want those men when they do live video. Once you were here 50 euro,
I just tired.
Mama, this don't be this Facebook. They settle this matter. Say why you go no clear.
We don't talk and we don't tire. See the way they drop the poor boy, mama now. He not beg you, not be introduced you give us to Osagie. He just introduce us to Osagie no way.
If you love me talking about Osagie, mama, it's just a waste time. He give Modailo money to chop. When they pay, we are doing Modailo, when we Modailo are home. I have me not be your bed. I'll be your bed. The chair up, buy chair up. I go give you Modailo. You supposed to even buy chair. I go give. You call your account. They say, I can't give her money. 1,030 pounds. You go here. 1,030 pounds. Where do you give mama when I so? I'll be your bed. They give 5,000 pounds. When they take back here. Why is that one? No, why you want you dey fitter, you still all rich like this. Where now you fitter roko? Nonsensical buha. Hello. May I talk to mama? Mama.
Tire oh, beg woman, go put something for some washing machine.
Not be this one the brick quarrel between with a Atiti with Mama Joy. Not be this one. You get what a Atiti still they do when not they good. A Atiti the other day when I see couple for a Atiti platform, I saw one call for a Atiti they talk to me for them. Only say a Atiti no put on for speaker. At the end of the day, the word when the woman use, a Atiti use her for me. And I just say, sometimes a Atiti always has you go pay
yeah.
You will be mad. You will not follow all women. They do saga. It's not good like that. So many days for this social media. We be saying I may was saying I was in my home. If now you with Mama Joy they fight, so it's not good for you. Hey matter. When I want to judge this matter, Richard, when I'm Bianca, they could not judge this matter. When I want to judge who now want to all of them when they talk for this matter, not those men when they talk for this matter now. They never say it woman.
They don't chop, they don't tire.
Okay, they say they put Mama Osagie for monthly pay. It can was at the time when they say they put a party for monthly pay.
Yes. It did.
For being one. Only go. I bet make now they talk true too. I will call a party that may tell party say make come on hand for the matter. Always say, oh a party friend, a party what we are home for. Ne man na.
Emma, even what you see where you feel gunya bina. He enjoy. He didn't know the last that I ever expect. Now be Mama Joy with Atiti said they go quarrel. For nothing.
It's not good now.
Any guy here do one work be like Boaba.
Mama Joy for still use and take rob. Mama Joy for one way ya rob. Mama Joy sometimes where I yes so ya wo. Use and then they wo like Odiakon. Every year wa we background we mu we mama say no. The mama say no.
You understand that kind of thing?
You know there's mama, you know there's sometimes if you they talk for somebody, you let that person side, and not that person side. You know they see what they call it, lovely, mama they do this one. They not still tell you that time pretty lovely they do. You want to tell them say they leave us.
I tell them I say wanna leave us on Facebook things. Not concern us.
Even if with mama, as a mama they say we want quarrel. We will of course our mama platform Madoye Beju.
Kakabo, we not go call them. Matthew was your
disgrace if that is Facebook again. One I want to when they shout, hey, she don't disgrace Samo. As a mama say message to Lovely, I will call you and say, oh yeah, make they fight for your platform. If you think the message to me, I say, oh yeah. Now me go use my hand invite you come. If I say message to you, now me go invite you come. I guess it's all I may all of us they fight for there. Yeah? And then they be Anita Chamba. You now one me mama with Anita Chamba come they fight. Nonsense. Mama, they watch you job.
Thank you, love. God go bless you for me. I've used God beg now. When they carry people matter. You know me say we not carry our friendship. I mean decide to promote our friendship for social media. I don't need them again. I tell you, I say our friendship, I don't want them for social media again. I don't want. I beg. Because I know as soon as be. Now the quick they instigate quarrel problem. So now it make me keep calm. They from distance. They do my relationship with her, my friendship with her. She is my goddaughter. We not be friends. We're not here for age group. So, come out Anita Chamba for my matter. She did do her thing and she's doing perfectly well. If she feels so. Me, myself, I am doing, you see me? If you like, I come social media. If you like, I don't come. I know the Zuzu. If you want Zuzu, I go see call you come Zuzu. So, Madam CCPC, if you like, you drag the mouse Osagie. If you like, not only you carry your matter on social media, me will call you Zanzan. But you get luck, say, not be the time what would they zanzans, what would they do more, what would they use brush, where they wash so let they zanzan. But now, if for that they enter you woto. But now, we are dead depressing. Now, for your jealousy sake, you they message the VDM, very dark man. Come on, go and take off your depression. Come on, go and take off your depression. Now you the advisor. Now so is in advice way they do your Kia foundation they go. That's all he can advise you. Now you the advisor. You just say you need advice for people like you who did not have direction. VDM don't need any advice from people like you who sleep with other people's husband, who could not allow men to concentrate on their marriage. Home divider, home destroyer. What destroy marriage just again? And can now home where woto. I get back you have na to so we are so you na in yak baby you we are so you na yak baby you pico. Wa mi vie no ton la meri. Big boy. Boy, diri yo do big boy. You go dik ba no ti lo. Don't go. Egi say we are we kia. We kia man. Agaji go we cannot to work go bok ba. Agi go ni kia lare. E kia ba no ti lo. Sa gigi de. E kia no ki baby shift. Or rien wo. But the lock when ko ya la lovo. E so was go no so ni emi kia ni ba o. Say go to dear. Come on, get inside and be shame your shame. I can't shame the shameless. Do me go ri mo ya go wi jo ni amu la jawa dazo na dazo wa. La gbowa o wa fie toa. Ya go gbowa. Ara mu la je gage. Ba do aka we na mama oh make go show my own. You know they repair mama oh. You know they repair na. This way my passport the other no na. This way kaje e da kido come market do so ala webo. Mama that eh. But you don't have a reputation to protect. If you do, even when vieni, I want Jack Bonnie la dia. tell you. You don't have a reputation to protect. So stop fooling yourself and get inside. Because if it were Vienna, I cannot just know it can okay deal, it can Rio, and Vienna baby women. It may hate this one go where I saw because I can win what so very young, and you go do way because he going to start to where he going in. If that money is not today, or when go the going in there, you might know I can not me go because I'm not interested. Anyway, who I know who can not me go because I'm secondly who I can already go away. So, Umaga, no, you go to work here. A bunk where you're a bunk, I don't have to do. Hey, if you want to come in have fun in any location, that I bet you are. Or more son, to your back of girl where I get aside and be shame, which I am shaming your shaming. I am shaming your shaming. Nonsense. Go ask in Torino. I want Dimoto Mono Yakeswa Ho Yaneya. You know a big boss in the road. I want the Kevin. I'm more where are you? Adore Caesar Pachotsi or a rainy vegan go us. We are the locative Kevin Klein. Our money. No, he didn't not carry Vasashi. You got a reno. A million yards. Who took my level of your bine? What power do you go jogger? What have you been varying on here? Not your queen and yaha. What have you made value your body born where you bar? Are you crazy? I the yan. If I'm not big, the give in there, Muyekia. But today you will kill oh, what almost to go. Oh, till law. So, but my care advice one why is he going here? Nimi always go ke or wa home wa be do la oh evano ize one rajo nyaga gogo ize one rajo iwa hu ogo e umati hu ogo e because umesta you imagine you ti ba biego ogo no what ti mune but you ogo no ogo ya ti wa gbe mayo yi di eva ne cover mi kan mi ro ya zazai. When me do I beg the try because he might dear you, but my mother or my mother way, or whatever who for why I'm with papa, I'm papa, I move your I move your I wallow, one I got money no wallow. And I'm your oh, Hanori okay for bottom line. Now you are crying, you place your salary. Why would you do that? They should not could we watch 6 of here on the league days. When you not pay you mad or something. Oh, Asajo, you must pay. Pay with whatever you have. Digo no ya sa. Don't go no ya pay kia. Why they can't in your way? No sestica boo. Go when you got no when you go so. Oh, so young baby, come get inside and let me breathe. I go and get something better to your life. Look at about the push. That is why people me. My online prayer is enough for me. Look at the gathering of what the gathering where we gather. I'm ashamed of you. It's another what so young. Nonsense. Like what man? Atiti, what advice you were? Wa vie joy ba big binu wana wa ko drop e because ehwemu wa miege unwo ha e jo tangie ehwemu ehugwa mu me me ale lo akọ ina we go ko de nena and nobody will know about it. I will remain on my own and I me wa mana gbe na la jana social media I wo ho wan igwe. God forbid what did you? Oh, what did you say? Can you rock my vehicle? No, yes, sister. I said, can watch it. I gather to take it on me. Everywhere go the zuzu, everywhere go the weird day. I beg, make a live on make una zuzu where we bet. I can go give it to you a shower today. It's a shame. I got me ye joy that you go van. Wo bonokba. Wa wiya. Ooh, ah, maybe I go one in here. It could want my 2 years in here. My beg, I will be out, hey, of a lake one in here. Where I said, take one wherever law. Because Mary Dorovi were better to put it. This is the truth. It's a shame. to the both of you. We matere, e mate kiawe, na mause, o rien zan, ne pisi rien. O wa wado ya do roviegbe, banonyagbe, do tenene minyagbe, avec papa ne never do swan talo, avec papa mama te kave home. Mama Marion because no do gbe ori megbe. Already that dog gbe, wa rien zetbe. So why you know your holiday because you want the appointment email wa check go. Okay? Even time, I have you mama your dry machine need dry. The money dry tiny kinatanji. Oh tilo. So I don't move. I get things to do. I make a shopping. And I beg you. Wanna be to say we get your time. Can write for all I guess. Mama, you too funny. That money. Otilo. Oh, Lord, my baby. Hey. See, my baby. I'm gonna say yes, sir. I cannot say, oh, my God, Dwana. A failure. No, she's a failure. The last time I checked, you don't have to wait. PC, go and look at the mirror. Whatever you see there is a failure. And that is what you represent. You are a failing mother. You are a failing girlfriend. In fact, there is no adjective to use for you. You are a failure. You are a disappointment. And you are a failure to your generation. You will remain a failure. Yes. Amana gwaze. Rabe womana kayaka. Okayazegbe. Ojo. Ohianzan. Oh, we will. One beg. Oh, one of slow when they one body here. Oh, when you go to Dukmo, Igbina Nyaga. So he go the mother in a good form. Also, now with my nigga, law. Oh, till law, it don't go. Oh, till law, it don't go. And the worst part, that your cry. Oh, where's wisdom? That your cry. Not be ordinary cry. That your cry, not just cry of the oh, till law, Ekia. Ekia no pa with Vierge. Where maybe we go with Vierge because now where you go in. Oh, Osagie the mule. When we Costas, I greet you. It is gone and gone forever. Forget about it. Don't just fool yourself. But the only word I have for you, go and check the mirror when you are here now. Anything I see there is the progress. Anything I see there make me joy. But you go and check the mirror. Whatever you see there is a failure. And that is who you are. And that is how I describe you. Good morning, Cameroon Pepe, I see you. And that is how I describe you. You are a failure, a failing wife, a failing mother. You have failed your children as a mother. You have failed your family as a daughter. You have failed the next generation. You remain a failure, and that is who you are. There's nothing can change it. Take care of what still so you know where I go. Baby sheep, dear cover. Baby sheep, baby sheep, baby sheep. Ekia. What Ekia? Ekia wagiri now. Ekia ni ema wali zanzan. Because you are the reason Dion Osagie no mona concentrate your marriage okay. So you can't not law. You are so man when so many you want to soto it. We are here. We are watching you from a platform girl, plus girl, TV. Emana wash away. You will cry. What must of you? Even as I say, what must of you? You can't. Kiani no ma get beg. Oh ya se to dan. Oh me me when na. The highest bidder. Eh, man, I roko baroko siza pashoti ya wekia. Where we down? Mommy, good morning, ma. Where were thou? Where were you? Where they were here so we. Well, we're here 203 million. Yawe kia, I pray. Anya kia no. Who will let lock? We might see the brand new can use again. No, ya Ivie, no momo, baby shift. When I momo, we pay ye kia momo. Who does that? I got the kia and spend money. Or they will know me where. Where you rena? Sorry, oh, cause it's that good. Sorrow. So, I leave you guys for now, mommy. I greet you. How is you doing? How is Canada? I hope Canada is sweet. I will come to Canada very soon. I want to come as Zuzu. You only do Zuzu your appointments. I have to go. I wear my jacket. I wear my shoe. Oh, Tilo. I have you buy a dryer. No make na kabo. Iso se wa sofone mareva. I greet everybody. She want about to join her fight. I beg you not to say. Beg you come on. About come on, bodija. Come on, bodija. Come on, bodija. Oh, the shaka. Now wait the shaka. I greet sooner. When I'm back for now. Come where? Any good tea, any show. I don't bother, I don't do saga again. All right now. Love you guys. Let me go and do my thing. I have food to cook. I'm going to work now. No time to share time. Love you. Mama, come back later. Yes, I will. Definitely. Thank you, mommy. Lady Fred is no longer in the picture. Mommy, you can say that again, oh. Abu ni tagba, abu ni tagbo, abu ni tagbo, abu 103 million. We are coming, you get lost, so don't tell you to do saga. We are the pre-preneur, we are making a saga, we are the Dafina, who be this again. Baby time. Now bye bye for now. I go my daily work.